Endymion Rock is a real unusual place. It's sort of a dead man's curve in the ocean. A rock exists, but just below the surface and isn't easily seen. The H.M.S. Endymion, of course, gave that rock its name after finding the rock accidentally. H.M.S. Endymion was a British fifth-rate 44-cannon warship. Went down in 1790. It was a 1 in a million chance. I'm sure many ships had crossed that part of the ocean before, but this time it was the death of a ship. But we now know, after diving on the site, that happened to at least one other ship too, at least 100 years later. A shipwreck that we call the companion wreck. As you swim over H.M.S. Endymion, you see this long, very heavy chain. We call it stud link chain. And it looks out of place and it's on top of everything. So obviously it came down later. If you follow it in one direction, it leads to what we call a stockless anchor. If you follow the chain in the other direction, it leads right to the ship that anchor belonged to, that also hit the Endymion Rock and also went down in a groove in the reef nearby. The companion wreck has a very early diesel engine. So here in one place we have an example from the age of sail, skipping the age of steam altogether and moving right into the age of internal combustion engine powered ships. It's a fortuitous combination of two different types of shipwrecks. When you stop and think about it, everything here came via ship originally. And shipwrecks are each and every one little stories, little vignettes in the history of the Turks and Caicos Islands.